What if you could start selling your course before it's even ready? In this video, we will show you how to enable pre-sale or pre-order in MasterStudy LMS on WordPress, so you can start earning and validating your idea early. Let's dive in. So we are here in the MasterStudy LMS demo from the official website, and we are going to see how you can actually pre-sell a course. Now, if we click on this course, for example, if we click on this preview course, so this is the course. As you can see that it's already created and the pricing is already set, but we actually want to pre-sell this course. So for example, this course will be launched at a later date and you want to enable the pre-ordering or pre-selling feature so that your users can pre-order this course. It's actually quite easy to do. To get the course pre-sale functionality, we need to enable a MasterStudy LMS add-on called Upcoming Course Status. So let's visit our WordPress dashboard and enable the MasterStudy LMS add-on. As you can see on our demo site, this add-on is already enabled, but on your site you might need to enable it yourself. And also, please note, add-ons are only available in the paid version of the plugin. So after enabling the add-on, follow the rest of this tutorial. But before we can get started with that, if you guys want to learn how to create courses using MasterStudy LMS, how to create quizzes, how to create pricing for your courses, how to create certificates, we have all these tutorials available on our channel. Just check the video description to find out the links to each tutorial. Okay, so now let's click on Edit with Course Builder over here to edit this course. So this is the course builder of MasterStudy LMS. We're simply going to click on the Settings tab over here, and then click on the Access option over here. And from here you can see there's an option called Upcoming Course Status. We're going to enable this, and here you can customize some settings. The notification text about the upcoming courses, the coming soon end date and coming soon end time you can set from here, and there are a few more options to see. First, we are going to customize this text, so it will say this course will be available soon. We're going to say pre-order now. Then we can set a coming soon end date. So let's say we can set it to 30th of March. And we can also set a time from here. And we can choose AM or PM from here. Then we are going to enable the allow pre-ordering, which will allow the students or users to pre-order this course. We can also allow email notifications. We can also show the course author, category, ratings, and we can also show the course pricing from here. So we are going to click on Save Changes. And now if we view our course, if we go to the courses page, and here is our course, you can already see that it's showing a coming soon label and it's showing the time over here. So if we click on this course, you can see the banner is over here and it's showing the text. This course will be available soon, pre-order now. So if we click on this Get Course button, now this course has multiple payment options. It has a one-time purchase, available with memberships, course subscription, group course, and buy with points. If you want to learn how you can set these all up, we have a tutorial for that as well. You can find it in the video description. So let's choose the one-time purchase, and we can click on Buy Course. Then we can go to Cart, and if we fill all of these up, choose a payment method, pay the payment, we will have successfully pre-ordered this course. So that is how you can pre-order courses in MasterStudy LMS. Now, MasterStudy has a free version that you can start with, but most of its advanced features are locked away behind the paid version. The paid version includes features like subscriptions, memberships, AI Lab, taxes, custom course pages, certificates, email manager, drip content, assignments, and many other advanced features, as you can see. To get access to these advanced features, you need the paid version. So let's take a look at the pricing of MasterStudy LMS. So there are annual and lifetime plans available. The first plan is the starter, which is free. It gives you a free license, free updates, community support, and a starter theme to work with. But of course, you won't have access to the advanced features like these. Okay? If you want those advanced features, you need to get either the single site, 10 site, or unlimited license. If you would like to get the lifetime plan, these are actually much more profitable. Although you can see the prices have gone up, but this is just a one-time payment. The annual payments, you have to keep making these payments every year, but with the lifetime plans, you make these payments for once and you can keep using MasterStudy LMS forever. So in the long term, this is much more profitable. Now, if you are interested in getting the paid version of MasterStudy LMS, you can check our video description for a link. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.